All right, well, I guess this is where the video might just start. I'm about to take a road trip, and got some mental health stuff I want to take care of. Got a lot of thinking to do, a lot of big decisions. Just need a road trip, need some time. Alone, it could be dangerous. A lot of people telling me to be safe. Got 30, maybe 40 days. I'm gonna go explore the United States. But right now, gotta figure out how to get back into this joint. But right now, I'm visiting an old friend, a couple friends actually. I've got you guys mind being on camera at all?
No, not at all.
All right. Well, I've got this guy, Shawn Smoak. He's working on that bike. And then I've got Dave from our trips in Yosemite and Yellowstone. Not Yosemite, right?
No.
Yellowstone. And then they did the Olympic National Park, or at least tried to, in North Cascades. Yeah, I'm about to go on this long trip. Dave, you have any advice?
Keep it on two wheels.
Keep it on two?
No broken ribs this time.
No broken ribs. Guess we might as well get to it. All right, Shawn, putting you on the spot. About to go around the United States. What's your one piece of advice that I should pay attention to?
Stay cool. Watch out for the crazy people.
Watch out for the crazies.
And the crazy critters.
Yeah. I saw a shirt, Tennessee, that said, smoked brisket, not meth. I just...
That's good.
This is Highway 36 from Junction City out towards Florence. A G1 road on Butler Maps. Let's check it out. Pretty cool cruising in on Highway 36. Got stuck behind a sheriff. Fortunately, that sheriff liked to go about 80 miles, hypothetically 80 miles an hour. And then once that sheriff departed, left the way I was going, well, things opened up just a smidge. And then I found myself in some really beautiful stuff, and then farmland. So thanks, Josh. Thanks, Ellen, for letting me fly on your property. It's beautiful here. Check it out.